Ready for some off-road adventure without the roar of a gas engine? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Tietie Electric Dirt Bike, an exciting option for teens and adults looking for power and range in an electric package. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's kick things off by evaluating the core performance and fundamental design element. The 1,500-watt peak power motor propels this bike up to 32 miles per hour and handles inclines up to 30 degrees, which is robust for an electric dirt bike. The 48-volt 20Ah lithium battery delivers an impressive 50-mile range on a single charge and is UL certified for enhanced safety, supporting extended rides. Equipped with a reinforced full suspension system and oversized front and rear disc brakes, this bike offers crucial control and comfort for aggressive off-road terrain. The motorcycle-style LCD display provides essential real-time information, and the NFC keyless unlock system adds a modern touch of convenience and security to your ride. Overall, the Tietie Electric Dirt Bike provides robust performance specs and a design tailored for a confident and engaging off-road riding experience. Next, we'll explore the practical aspects of using the Tietie Electric Dirt Bike, focusing on its frame, overall value, and what ownership entails. Moving on to usability, the Tietie bike features a lightweight yet durable frame that makes it easier to handle. Crucially, its price point offers exceptional value for the features provided. However, we'll also look at the clarity of its specifications and important ownership considerations. The durable one-piece, high-strength frame weighs just 80 pounds, contributing to enhanced stability and agile handling on varied terrains. Priced at just $579.99, this electric dirt bike delivers an outstanding array of features and performance for its category, representing significant value. While essential specs like speed and range are clear, more detailed information on continuous motor power and the specifics of suspension travel would provide greater confidence. Tietie offers a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, although buyers must independently verify local laws and ensure they use appropriate safety gear. This electric dirt bike presents a compelling value proposition with its lightweight frame, though buyers should note the importance of understanding local regulations for responsible ownership. The Tietie Electric Dirt Bike offers an impressive package of power, range, and modern features at a surprisingly accessible price point. Its lightweight design and full suspension promise a fun off-road experience for riders over 13, but remember to verify local regulations before riding. Overall, it's a compelling choice for anyone seeking an affordable and capable electric dirt bike adventure with good manufacturer support.